So, good evening, ma'am. My name is Jessamine Salgong from BSBA3A, and I am going to report the net present value. So, before I jump to the calculation, I am going to discuss first what is net present value. So net present value is the concept of net present value is used in financial decision making, particularly in evaluating investment alternatives. So, ang NPV ay isang paraan upang matukoy ang kakayahang kumita ng isang posibleng pamumuhunan. Isinaalang-alang nito ang mga time value of money. Ibig sabihin, mas mahalaga ang pera ngayon kaysa sa parehong halaga sa hinaharap sa potensyal nitong kumita. So, let us take an investment opportunity to build a housing project. So, this is the computation. So, assume that a land for sale is suitable for the project for 4.5 million. The construction of a townhouse will cost 15.5 million. Therefore, the total project will cost 20 million. Currently, the opportunity cost of capital is 6%. Assume the following scenario. So first scenario we have in sell after 1 year. So in a year's time, the entire complex can be sold for 23 million. So present value of 23 million to be received in year's time. So amin siya yung sell after 1 year. So, yung calculation nga na makitaan is 23 million times PV factor of 6% n equals 1. So, 23 million, among iniyang mabaligya after ng 1 year. Possibility na kuan na yung cost ng pagtayo ng housing project. So, 23 million. Tapos, ang nga ni makita nato na 0.943. So, amoy ini yung result ng PV factor at 6% na n minus equals 1. So, first, iuno-uno pagkuha ang ining 0.943. So, yung formula sa day para makuha is CF one divided by 1 plus R over N sa taas. So, wait, atohan ko. CF one divided by 1 plus parenthesis R. So, CF na to nga ni is 1. 1 yung CF na to nga ni, it's because ga-represent siya ng single unit of currency. It's a placeholder to determine the value today or receiving 1 unit of currency in the future. So, 1 yung ka na to, CF or future cash flow. And then, copy lang gyapon, 1 divided by 1 plus R. So, yung R ka din nato nga ni is rate, which is the 0.06. 0. Tapos, yung N na to, ng time na ni is 1. It's because 1 year lang siya. So, equals 1. So, 1 plus 0.06 equals 1.10, 1.06. Mali ka rin. 1.06. Tapos N. Copy lang gihapon. And then, yung square root ng 1.06 is, i-times mo siya in 1. I-times mo lang siya sa 1 na kanaanukuan. So, 1.06 lang gihapon. So, 1 equals 1. So, 1 divided by 1.06 is 0.943 and so on and so forth. So, 1 times 0.43 is 0.943. O, lagi. So, amo siya makuha yang PV factor of galisod ako pagsuwat ko amang gud ari sa PPT ko. Just a moment. So, amo siya. And then, i-times mo siya, which is the result ng 21,689. So, i-minus mo siya sa investment require or yung gasto mo tanan-tanan sa pagpatukod ng housing na 20 million. So, unkan mo net present value na 1,689,000. So, NPV nan is positive, therefore, we can accept the projects kaya may kanato yung tawag na profit. So, next, the scenario, you can rent the project for 4 years at total yearly sum of 1.5 million. At the end of the 4th year, you can sell the townhouse to the tenants for cash worth 23 million. So, ang kanato ni 4 years, tapos every year is ang kanaan 1.5 million sa pagpakuanan sang kanaan housing project. And yung PV factor naan is ang kataon ni 0.940, 0.890, 840, and 0.792. So, yung PV factor is same lang gihapon yung formula, pero yung N na angadto or yung time na niya, year na angadto is magdepende da ko man, it's either 2, 3, and 4, hantod mag 4. Kulihan daw mga ito. And then, para makuha ining PV, i-multiply ining cash flow sa PV factor. So, 1.5 million up. Dili na siya actually exact na kuan kay na million na 000. So, 1.5 times 0.943 among ini siya muludwa. Meaning 1 million for actually kadi dapat kadi agaw ikuan mo. Like 1.5 million gauge siya times mo ng 0.93 among ini muludwa nini. Tapos so on and so forth. So, confused lang ako nga ni Pikas yung lang manggod ni at the end of the 4th year, you cancel townhouse to the tenants for cash of worth of 23 million. 23 million. Pero pag abot nila sa table, ikaw upat na tuig is himo na 24.5. So, yaglibog ako sa kasayod daw nasa, pero amo mga diyan sa libro. So, amo na sunod ako lang sa gihapon. So, i-total ngining PV factor, ngining PV from 1 million to 19 million. So, amo ni mulugwa 23 million. I-minus mo siya sa investment period, investment required na 20 million na yung lang pa capital ng pagpatukod ng housing project. So, i-minus mo siya ang ninilugwang ining 3,413,400. So, yung result naan is own profit naan yung result. So, pwede na to ma-accept gihapon yung project or mas better na iparent mo na pa siya and after ng 4 years, pwede na mo siya i-sell sa tenant na 23 million or 24.5 million. Kaya mas bagas yung makita mo kaysa nang i-sell mo lang siya after ng 1 year. So, that would be all.